YouTube. What up? So I am going to the beach. It's Labor Day, September 3rd, 2018. What is that? That's a shower.
What does it look like though?
Stop. Stop. I hate Crystal. She said, "What does it look like?" I can't deal with her. Not today. Not today. Y'all. So I'm with Crystal and her kids today, and we're gonna be going to the beach. You know what I'm saying? Now I haven't been to the beach all summer. Technically, it's not really summer anymore, but look, I've been working too much. I've been off. Well, no, hold on. Let's see. I worked like 26 days straight, but that's over and done with. Thank God. But that's exactly why
Zach, don't go too far.
We're watching him. He's right behind me. But yeah, so I just work too much, so I can't even really enjoy my summer or anything. My kids are having tons of fun with their Lolo. So I just worked this past weekend. But yeah. But yeah, we here. And we not in the ocean front though. We at Croatan because we trying to be away from these tourists, you know what I mean? But anyways, we came here for parking too, because parking will probably get ridiculous at the ocean front. Zach is like trailing. He's like literally trailing.
That's the everyday thing.
Anyways, so I'm gonna check you guys out later. Area. Why am I like a tourist? And we gotta go through that fence for the swimming area. Over here trying to make a smooth spot. Like she's trying to smooth it out with her feet, because I told her that I wanted to lay out here where the sand is a lot more smooth than this bumpy-ish right here. But here she go, trying to make it smooth for us just so we could be closer to the water, her and her crazy tail. What?
There we go.
I can't. Alright, let me lay my... Look, you guys. Look how pretty it is. There's a lot of people still. No, just because they're perfect doesn't mean they're fake.
Zach better not go look for it. He's so...
Oh my gosh, he's out there.
He doesn't care. Like, see, Kobe is such a good listener.
Yeah, Kobe's right here.
Exactly.
And then you see this old guy. Just stop!
I don't care.
Hey guys, so I forgot to introduce myself. So it's your girl Gigi, once again with another video.
And your girl Crystal, once again, in her video.
Oh my gosh, look, we're gonna get Crystal to... Are you even in here? I can't, it's too bright. I'm sorry you guys. But we need to get Crystal to start vlogging, and then you know what? We could do a joint channel. We could. So get her, like, hit the like button if you want her to get her own channel, because I think she should.
Hit the down button if you... Just kidding. Never hit the down button.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You know, there's a lot of haters out there, and I've had the down button, but whatever.
What is it called?
The
dislike?
Dislike, whatever.
The dislike button.
Are you even in here? I can't see it.
I think I am.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm right there.
I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes when we edit, but we over here, we about to lay out, so we gonna check y'all later, okay? Do you guys know how hard it is to vlog in the beach? Because you can't even like see, like, it's too bright. But anyways, Chris is at work, and I'm so glad he's not here, just because I would get in so much trouble if he knew which bathing suit I'm wearing, because this bathing suit that I have from Victoria's Secret is actually, like, they're cheeky, so like my cheeks are actually out. Yeah, the cheeks are out. So it's like, he'll be like, you know, Baron, that's the beach. But I did wear the beach. What are you doing? What are you
taking your food because
what? This girl right here, I can't.
True photographers like see it in action, and then they're like, oh no, I really need to get this photo because it looks nice at this angle. I'm over here. See, look. Maybe not that face.
Yeah, but yeah, not that face. I can't. Oh my gosh, I need to edit that out. But anyways, so I would probably be in trouble, but it's okay, you know, because he knows I don't like tan lines, so he'll be all right.
Here, look at me.
No.
And now look away, like you're you know what I mean?
Emo. Hold on. Did you get me?
Oh, gotcha.
I can't. Yo, that's what you call a friend right there. She trying to help you be successful in your picture. She trying to make me a model. That's so sweet. Hold on, I can't see you. Like, where are you? Are you in here? I don't know. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like in the middle, actually.
Okay, cool. Well, look, look, you guys, this is hard to do, so I'm just gonna have to see the crab. I know you do. It's just there. You see, it's like.
Did it move?
I can't see.
Because it went somewhere.
You guys, where did it go? I know y'all seen it. It's like camouflage. I can't see
I
it.
don't see it anymore. Unless it went.
I think he went in the sand too. Look, when I edit, I'm gonna be able to see it. Like, but it went somewhere. But y'all saw the crab, right? So pretty. Chris over here taking pictures, enjoying her time at the beach. That was a quick flash. I'm weak. I was like, shoot. Hey. Hold on. Oh, my bad. We were taking pictures. That's why I wasn't doing nothing. But so we about to leave. For those of you that are not familiar with the beach or don't go to the beach often, it's like more of a workout leaving the beach, just because you gotta walk through that sand. And for those that know, walking through that sand is a workout. Lifeguard status. But yeah, I guess I should clean myself up in the showers, but I didn't really go in the water. I just was under the sun. You just relaxed and chilled out.
Look at all the pretty ladies. There was a lot of pretty ladies.
There was a lot with flat stomachs.
Your stomach's flat.
I'm sorry.
It's not as flat, but it's flat.
I look tan, but I think it's my sunglasses. Maybe like.
And the fact that you're Filipino.
No, because I'm pale for a Filipino. I'm pale. I'm pale, y'all.
You did
Look,
get a tan.
I don't got. Did I?
Yeah.
I get dark pretty quick. But hey, one day. At least I got sun-kissed a little bit. A little sun-kissed. But I like these showers. I don't know why. They just. You get all the sand off and everything. Those are the kitties. Everybody passing by. But yeah, we about to leave. Like, Crystal gotta go to work. I gotta go home and do nothing. I'm really gonna clean though and get the kids ready for tomorrow.
I wish they would hurry up.
Look, he's really taking a shower, Crystal. Like he's showering. Like he's showering. Yeah, Crystal's kids are really showering. Kobe is at least. I'm weak. Oh, my credit. Oh.
Come here, Kobe.
Why have I only been filming for like 2 minutes? That's crazy. Wow. You took a shower, man. You really took a shower. He's taking a shower too a week. Look. He's...
Come here. Take your stuff off.
It's nice in this breeze. It's really hot outside. It's like 90-some degrees. So we calling it a day. Look at my hair. Team crazy. Crazy hair don't care. But anyways. I'm coming back. I'm coming back today. I don't care what Chris says. I don't care if he's tired, whatever. He coming out here with the kids so they can have fun. Even though they gonna complain about how hot the sand is. But look, we need to take them. Because we haven't been all summer. I'm telling you, when this is my first time stepping foot on the sand, it's my first time stepping foot on the sand. Like, me and Crystal turned up on her birthday at the beach, but that don't count. Because we weren't in our bathing suit. So, but we did have fun.
If you want to come on, sand again. Sand.
Look at that. These beach houses. Aren't they nice? They're pretty. They're nice. Look at that one. That one's nice right there. Like, yo, Crystal, we really gotta rent one summer. We gotta rent one summer. Look at that. This is right at the beach. Like, literally, beach is like right there behind that house. Like, it's right there. So it's like, yo, we got to do this. Like, one summer, we're just gonna spend the whole summer there. Go to work still, you know what I'm saying? Go home to the beach house. Like, this is so nice. Her name keeps bobbling around. No. You guys are coming. My kids are coming too. We're all just gonna have a good old time.
Yeah, big vacation, family vacation.
Like a big family vacation. I know you guys are like, well, some summer. Calm down.
We can plan for next summer.
Dang, girl, I think we missed our turn. I'm over here too busy looking at houses. Turn. You can make a U-turn right here. Well, does that mean I have to put my seatbelt on? Right here. That's my future house right there. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have that house one day. I'm telling y'all. It's either that one or this one coming up. I'll show y'all.
Recording still? And you're single, just to let you know.
Uh-huh.
Hit me up. And you gotta be lesbian.
Yo, look at these houses. They're so pretty. But yeah, this is the beach houses. Vibe Beach. Vibe Beach. Vibe Beach houses. But anyways. YouTube. So it's later on today. We actually made it to the beach. What? You can't hold your own shoes, you guys?
Let go of my shirt.
At least the sand's not hot like it was earlier. Hey, we might find a crab, you guys.
Come on, go.
No, come on. No. You just like playing in the dirt. Come on. You're alright. Come on. Go, Glow. It's around sunset. No, Go with them. Come on. You're having too much fun. Oh, Francis? That was Francis.
Don't throw the sand, little girl.
Duh.
Do not throw the sand.
Okay.
Do not throw the sand. I'm not going to say it no more.
Okay.
We'll go home.
Oh my gosh, they're all the way out there. You guys are quick. Flying kites. It's so pretty outside. I think I dropped the... See, you guys, this was my first job. Beach rentals. I will put the umbrellas up and the chairs up. I'll put them out. And I would rent them out. So I would set them up, take them down.
A snake in the sky.
That's not a snake, that's a kite, baby. But yeah, beach rentals, that was my first job ever. I believe I still have my uniform shirt. I was young. I love the beach. I was so dark then too. I was tan. Boy, I was tan. What are you doing, Luke? My kids are over here collecting shells and rocks. Chris holding the shoes. I have Francis. Ooh. Ugh. Washing their feet off from the sand. Is your feet good? Glow, put your feet underneath there. Let him do it too. Let your brother wash his feet. Having too much fun there. More boardwalk. Walking the boardwalk. Look, Francis wants me. He's reaching out to me. He's looking backwards. They're twins. Okay, fine. Give me your hand. Come on. Come on. So your brother could see us. Go this way.
I wish we had a towel with us.
Oh. So cute. I put my hair up. It's too hot. Like I'm sweating behind the back of my neck.
I'm not sweating. And I want ice cream. Cheese.
Cheese. They lit. You don't want to go to the spooky place? Why are you gonna cry? More walking. Cruising the strip. People still cruising the strip. Trolley. Labor Day. Of course, people are going to be out here. Splash. 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 We're on a journey to get a funnel cake. And I really want a red velvet one. Yeah. Sounds good. There's a little carnival. They got like a little carnival. Did you want to go drive and find it? The funnel cake place?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, I like that one too. I want that hoodie. They got a lot of stuff that you could. T-shirt store, hoodies and everything. Come on, come on. Glow, let's go. Come on. Tatted Ariel. Alright, so I know lighting kind of sucks right now, but I'm gonna stop this vlog right here. It's our Labor Day vlog and we spent the day at the beach. At least I did, pretty much all day. Why am I sitting on my stairs? Because I'm so tired, I don't feel like moving. But anyways, it was a good Labor Day. I was actually off. I didn't have to work today, thank God. So, you guys, I want to say goodnight. And I would like for you to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, let me know what you want to see. So it was family day and I spent some time with Crystal today. An awesome day. Beach all day. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. But it's the end of the beach season, so now it's I guess today was the conclusion. You saw there was a whole bunch of people out there. You know, school's about to start tomorrow. So Graceland already started, but like public schools, they all start tomorrow. So it is what it is. And the beach will probably be a little dead. But then again, the warm weather is going to be here for a while. It's usually until like the end of October, sometimes even November. So I don't know. Maybe we'll go back to the beach again. We'll see. I know I will. I'm always here anyways. But good night. Check y'all later. Cut.